Welcome back to cooking every single thing in the official Fallout cookbook. Today we're making Buffout. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what I make next in the comments below. This recipe is very easy. You start off by combining 1 cup of unsalted butter softened and half a cup of confectioner's sugar in a medium bowl. Then you add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and half a teaspoon of almond extract and mix those together until fully combined. And finally, you add 1.5 cups all-purpose flour, half a cup almond flour, a tablespoon of matcha powder, a teaspoon of kosher salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. And you just mix it together until it's fully combined and uniform. It will take a while. You don't want there to be really any you don't want to be able to see any butter through this mixture. Now you just grab a piece of parchment paper and put it onto a cookie sheet, and you're going to sprinkle some flour on it because if you use non-stick spray it'll cause the cookies to flatten. And then you're going to grab a tablespoon sized ball, roll it up, push it, flatten it onto the cookie sheet and create a cross cut in it with a knife, and then you're going to put it into the fridge for an hour. After that hour is up, you're going to take them out, put them in the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 15 to 20 minutes until set or until crispy. And then you let them completely cool and you're all done. These were surprisingly good. I've never had anything matcha before. It makes them very earthy, they taste very earthy, but they're not overly sweet, but they're not sweet. It's they're surprisingly good. For, a highly addictive substance in Fallout, and also not that addicting, so, plus and plus, I guess. Yeah. 8 out of 10, I think, yeah. 7.5 maybe if I'll fidget with it a little bit, but for now, 8 out of 10.